Greetings and welcome to Business Mathematics 210. My name is Lori Allen and I will be the course instructor for this semester. I wanted to give you an opportunity to become familiar with our online classroom by helping you navigate through it. In the left column, underneath the title of the course, you'll find several tabs. The first tab is the Announcement tab. Each week I will post an announcement and it will guide you through the coursework for the entire semester. The first few announcements are very important because they give you directions as to how to navigate through the different areas of our classroom, tours that you can take to help you in this process, and also talk to you about how to register for your course materials. In the announcement area, I will also be posting weekly announcements. I encourage you to please read them because they will indicate to you the due dates for every assignment for our course. We will also have information as to when assignments are due. Deadlines are very important in this course, so it's important for you to really read the announcements each week. Underneath the Announcements tab, you'll see the Course Instructor tab. There you'll see a picture of me, and you will also see information about how to be in contact with me in my office hours. I strongly encourage you to email me, as well as utilize my phone number if necessary. We sometimes find it we sometimes have things happen in our lives where we have to have a conversation with the instructor, and that's totally okay. Underneath the Course Instructor tab, you will see the tab for this video. If you're watching it, you've already found it. Congratulations. Underneath the Course Video tab, you will see the Syllabus Course Information tab. The syllabus is a very important document. I urge you to read it. Not only does it give you a brief description of our course, it also shows the standards and the objectives that we intend to meet in this course. The grading policy is there. There is also a course weekly calendar so that you know when the week begins, when the week ends, and what assignments are due. We are on a point system in this course, so each week you accumulate courses based on your scores in the My Math Lab area that I'll talk to you about soon. It's very important for you to know how many points you're accumulating weekly so that you know how close you are to a passing grade. During the semester, we have a midterm assessment. The midterm assessment will be not an exam, but an assessment of how many points you've accumulated during the course thus far and reported to CUNY, not for an accountability record keeping, but just so that we know how well you're doing at the midpoint of the course. It will not be recorded on your transcripts at the end of the semester, and it'll give you an indication as to how much work that you've already done in the course, and for some of us, what still needs to be done. The My Math Lab section of the course is a link that you go to, and it takes you to the My Math Lab Pearson website. This is where your coursework will be. The My Math Lab website is an external website linked to our course, to our Blackboard classroom. You have to first begin the process by registering. There will be an announcement the first week of school where you will read it, and it will give you explicit instructions on how to register for My Math Lab. The courseware that you will have once you register and you pay the registration fee will include your textbooks, your assignments each week, and the exams that you'll take. There are 11 post-test assignments. They're quizzes, and they've already been set so that they open up at the beginning of the week and they close at the end of the week. I strongly urge you to please try and stay on the calendar. It gets very difficult for some students when you miss an assignment and you have to make it up. I know things happen during the semester, And I don't really have a problem with assisting you, but we cannot make it a habit to miss assignments. And I strongly feel that most of you will do your very best to stay on the calendar. There will be a grade book in the My Math Lab section of the classroom that will indicate to me what your scores are every week for your post-test examinations. And when I say examinations, I really mean quizzes. The post-test assignments are homework assignments. They are the quizzes. You will have exams that also can be accessed from the My Math Lab section of the course. So I strongly encourage you to become very familiar with this section of the course. You're going to be there a lot. There are PowerPoint presentations there to help you. There are other practice activities to help you, but the only activities that will be grade bearing will be the post-test assignments and the examinations. There will be 4 examinations in this course. The discussion assignment rubric section is the next tab in the left column underneath the My Math Lab tab. In this area of the classroom, you'll see an explanation of every discussion assignment that we will have. There will be 3 of them for the semester. There will also be, besides the explanation, a rubric to show you how the assignment will be graded. It's very important that you participate in the discussion assignments, because the discussion assignments are the only assignments in the course that cannot be made up, because they have to be done in real time. The discussion forum is right underneath the tab for the discussion assignment rubrics. In the discussion forum, you will actually go to this area of the classroom to access the discussion and to participate. Please make sure each week that you check the announcements to see if there is a discussion assignment. There are only 3, one at the beginning, one in the middle, and one near the end of the course, to assess how well you're doing, and so that you can have discussions about the work and how far you've gone and how much you've accomplished, what your challenges are, and what are your triumphs in the course. It helps me to assess the kinds of support that I may need to provide for you. Final area of the classroom is the Excel Lab assignment area. That tab can be found underneath the discussion forum tab. There are 3 Excel Lab assignments during the semester. Again, check the announcements. They're very clear, and they indicate to you when these assignments are due. You can access each assignment going into this forum by clicking on the Excel Lab title, reading the assignment, and in some instances you will have an attachment spreadsheet that you have to upload, edit, and then download, edit, and then upload back into the classroom. It's very important that you do this in a timely fashion, as these grades are automatically sent into the grade book for me to indicate the number of points that you have earned in the class. Just to be clear, I want to make sure that everyone has an equal opportunity in this classroom to be successful. If you're having any challenges, I urge you once again to please contact me, either by email or by telephone. I want to wish you all a wonderful semester, and I look forward to working with each of you.